hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm gonna show you 5 quick and easy hairstyles with mini clips. Obviously for these hairstyles I need some mini clips, and these are the ones that I got from PRIMARK. So for the first hairstyle I'm starting off with a middle parting, then taking a few strands of hair right by my face out so that it kind of just frames it really nicely. Then I'm trying to gather all my hair so I don't have any strands around, so it's all nice and smooth. After that I'm just trying to twist upwards and just make sure that I've got all my hair. It's very compact and neat, so I can make sure that my mini clips are gonna stay well and then they're gonna fall. And basically that's it. Very quick and easy hairstyle. I really like it, and it took me less than 5 minutes. So the next hairstyle, I'm starting up again with a few of my hair strands in front of my face, just trying to gather them. And after that I'm just gonna take them upwards and trying to make it smooth and nice. So for that I'm gonna use my hairbrush, which is gonna be helpful, I guess, because you can't do this with your hands. And just trying to comb it really nice and just make sure it's nice and tidy so you don't look like a scarecrow. And then after that you're just trying to twist it and again twist it until you make like a sort of mini bun. But after that just make sure that your hair is going upwards. Again, it's not going down, if you see what I mean. So it's kind of gonna make sense like in a couple of seconds. So after that you're just gonna use your hair clip and try to clip it very secure. So yeah, that's literally what it is, and I think it's really sweet and very funky, and it kind of looks like you have like a palm, I guess, like from backwards of your head, which maybe sounds a little bit silly, but to me it's like a little palm, so I think it's really cool. I hope you like it. The next hairstyle is one of my all-time favorite hairstyles, and I used to wear it like this all the time, even in the school or uni. So you just take all your hair backwards and try to make it as smooth and as neat as possible. For that you may use a hair comb or just like I did without one. And then after gathering, just getting a hair clip and just clip it, and literally that what it is, like the quickest and the easiest hairstyle ever. Also it will accentuate your best features, and it's perfect for the ones with oval face just like mine. The next hairstyle might look like something you've seen before already, and yeah, you are absolutely right. This is exactly just like the first hairstyle, minus the fact that it's all clipped up and it doesn't have any hair strands in front of your face. Literally just gather all your hair, twist it once or twice, get a hair or 2 mini clips, and that's it. Like the easiest thing ever. I don't think it can get more easy than this. The next hairstyle is maybe the most complicated one. Not that any of them were really complicated, so we're just gonna start off with brushing our hair and using obviously a hairbrush. After that we're just gonna take a few hair strands, but this time just a few of them, and from the left hand side. I mean, it depends from which side you are looking, but just taking a little bit, not a lot, and comb them really nicely and just twitch them and try to make like a little ponytail, but this time using like a mini clip. So you just try to twitch a little bit, then use a mini clip, clip it, and that's it. And yeah, as you've guessed, the next side is literally the same thing. You just comb your hair really nicely, use a mini clip, twitch it here, twitch it there, and you're done. I'd highly recommend you to use a mirror so you can actually see how they look in the back, because I did a mistake to not use it, and as you can see they are not on the same level, so it looks kind of messy. It's not the best hairstyle I've ever did, but I kind of tried my best, I guess so. But you got the idea, right? So yeah, that's literally what it is, like 2 mini ponytails, but just using some mini clips. But how cute it is. I'm actually really loving this hairstyle, and I think from the front it looks really nice. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos, and apart from that, see you next time. Mwah. Bye.